Installing mounting stand for face reader on turnstile. This video shows you how to install mounting stand for a face reader on a turnstile. First, place the mounting pipe in position and fix the nuts. Now, fix the protective cover for the face reader on top of the mounting pipe and fix the screws. Now, the mounting stand is ready for installation of the face reader. The size and shape of the mounting stand varies according to the face reader. In this video, we installed mounting stand for face reader UFace 402.